Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will cover again prepositions with pronouns. Okay, so it's same rakab jari shibu jumla is going on. So this slide you already know because we covered the pronouns, damair. So what are the damair's pronouns are? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun, such as he, his, she, her, you, your, I, me, we, or mine, us, etc. So these are called pronouns. Pronouns, dhamir can be categorized in two groups. The first one is detached pronouns, dhamir munfasil. And the other one is attached pronoun, dhamir muttasil. Here is the chart for the dhamir munfasil. These dhamir munfasil use as a subject, and the i'rab of the dhamir munfasil is always marfu, is always nominative. Okay, it's always nominative, is always marfu. These are the dhamir munfasil. This is the chart of the dhamir munfasil. And the dhamir muttasil, this is the chart for the dhamir muttasil, the attached pronoun. Okay, and these pronouns, let me squeeze it. These pronouns used for the mansub or majroor. Okay, these zamir mutasil, the zamir mutasil can be used for the mansub or can be used for the majroor. Okay, but while on the other hand, the zamir munfasil always marfu. So there are two charts for the damir munfasil or zamir mutasil. Zamir munfasil or zamir mutasil. Detached pronouns or attached pronouns. There are a chart for both of these, okay, with the meanings. Okay, now I want to ask you, if before these pronouns, if the harf jar come before it, okay, so what do you think? After after harf jar, after preposition, after these harf jar, which pronouns should come? The marfu pronouns or the mansub or majroor pronouns? Which zamir should come after prepositions? The pronouns whose i'rab is marfu, or the damirs whose i'rab can be mansub or can be majroor. So I hope you will say, if there are harfu jar come before the pronouns, then that pronoun will be the damir muttasil, because two reasons. The zamir mutasil means attached pronouns. It means these pronouns will come attached with these prepositions. Secondly, they are harfu jar, and the damir come after it. They must be majroor. They must be majroor. So these zamir mutasil has the i'rab of majroor, because they can be used as a mansub, they can be used as a majroor. So when they will come with the preposition, then they will be the majroor. Then these pronouns will be in genitive case. Then these pronouns will be in majroor state. We can't use the marfu zamair after the pronouns, after the prepositions. No, because they are in marfu state, they are in nominative state. And we in after harfu jar, there can never be the marfu ism. They can never be the marfu ism. They can only be the ism majroor. And ism majroor here is these zamir mutasil. Okay, so we will cover this chart today, inshallah ta'ala. We will discuss this chart, the zamir mutasil, not the zamir munfasil. So there is no more need for the zamir munfasil in this lecture. In this lecture, okay, where there is no more need for the zamir munfasil. We will discuss only the attached pronouns, only the zamir mutasil. I want to give you few more details about this zamir mutasil, attached pronouns. Attached pronouns can be comes with ism. They also comes with a fail, with a verb. They also come with a harf. Okay, so it means they attach with ism, with fail, with harf. And today we will cover the harf, that these pronouns will come with prepositions. Okay, so how they will come and how they will look like, inshallah ta'ala, we will learn in detail. They are the 11 harfujar. They are the 11 prepositions used in the Quran Majid. So Few of them, they don't come with the pronouns. Which are these are? Hatta, it doesn't come with the pronoun. Harfu jar wow, wa, it doesn't come with the pronoun. Harfu jar ta, and already know that ta is only come with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It comes only 9 times in Quran Majid. And harf kaf, ka. So these harfu jar, which already these balloons are gone in the sky because they don't come with the pronouns. So how many left there now? There are 7 left now. Okay, only seven pronoun prepositions come with pronouns, which are these. Okay. First of all, we will use the min. We will attach the min with the pronoun who. The first in the chart, the first pronoun is who. Okay, and we will attach them. We will make them together. So we will write them together. So how we will write? We will write like this: min who. Okay, min who. So now this is go in the chart. Min plus who becomes min who. Min means from. Who means him or he. So from him, from it. And I already explained in my some lecture that there is no specific word for the it. Okay, there is no specific word. In English we can say that he, she, or it, but in Arabic there's only 2 words. It can be the masculine or it can be the for the feminine, he or she. We use only for the who or ha. Okay, so there's no any particular word for the it. For okay, now we will attach the harfu jar min with all these prepositions, with all these pronouns, with huma, hum, hunna, kum, kuma, with all these. And look at the screen how this all min will attach with these pronouns. Okay, so let's do. Look, I will go back and check the screen again. I hope you like this game. Min huma, min hum, minha, min hunna, minkum. So these all min are harfu jar, and they are come with a with pronouns. They both words start with a p. So sometimes I use pronouns instead of preposition, and instead of preposition I use the word pronouns. So anyhow, I hope you will understand. Min kuma is min is harfu jar. It's easy if I say if you use the Arabic words, Arabic terminology. Min is harfu jar and kuma is a ضمير متصل. Okay, attached pronoun. And now if you notice, I didn't attach the min with ja mutakallim, and the na. So why I didn't use? Because I want to explain you something with it. So let's take the ja mutakallim with the min. If I say you that read it, can you read? Min, I can't pronounce the ja mutakallim with min. Because what's the reason? I explained you in the last lecture. I explained you that there are 2 sakin letters, we can't read them. So what we have to do now here, because we can't read them, so we will bring here one more noon with kasra, because ja demands the kasra before it. Okay, we will not use here the fatha here, because ja mutakallim, you have to write in your notes, because it's very very important thing. It will help you even when we will do the jumla failure. Okay, it very very will help you until we will complete this the whole course. It will help you that ja always demand kasra before it. Ja always demands kasra before it. Okay, so write in your notes with bullet points. Okay, so what we have to do, there is no kasra on the noon. We will not put the kasra on the min, because I already told you that min demands fatha on top of it. So what we have to do, because they both are very stubborn, Ja said I always want kasra, min said I don't accept kasra, I want with fatha, minal. So what we have to do, we have to solve their we have to find a solution for it. So what we have to do, we will bring another noon with kasra. Okay, so this noon, so we will attach them like this. I attach all of these. How? Because or because of, can you see this shad on the noon? There is a shad. It means, shad means there are two noon. There are two noon. One noon for the min and one noon for which additional noon which we fix in between these two words, and this noon has the kasra. So now we can read easily. Minni, minni. Okay, so this additional noon is called a noon viqaya. This noon viqaya comes between the harf jar and the jai mutakallim to resolve their problem, to solve their fighting. Okay, so now we can read easily. This is called noon viqaya. Okay, so minni is ready now. It means from me. I wrote already the meaning for all of these. Okay, now we will solve the na for both, for the dual and for the plural. So take the na with min. What we have to do now, we can read easily min na. So what, there is two noon now, so we will merge them, same like before in minni, two noon merged together and they become the shadda. So same here we will do that, we will put the shadda here because of two noon. Okay, so it becomes minna. When you put the, when you see the shadda, it means there is two noon, one noon for the min and one noon for the na. Okay, so it becomes minna from both of us and minna from all of us. Okay, I hope you understand now and you enjoy this one as well. Now we will cover the lam harfu jar with all these pronouns. Okay, with all these pronouns. So harfu jar lam. As I already explained in the last lecture, that lamu jar comes with kasra. Okay, lamu jar comes with kasra. But harfu jar lam is originally written and read with kasra. But when it comes with pronouns, then it is written and read with fatha, except jai mutakallim. So what we have to do, this lam will become in fatha because we can read easily. If we say lam with kasra and read it lihu, can we? It looks so strange. Lihu. It doesn't look nice on my speaking. Lihu. Lahu is so easy. Lahu, lahuma. So we can read so easily. Okay. So Arab people feels use the word that they can speak easily. Instead of they put the pressure on it, lihu is looks different. So it's not used on our tongue as well. Okay. So what we have to do, we will attach the lamujar with pronoun. Lahu, lahuma, lahum, lahunna, laha, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakunna. And now I told you that except this lam with fatha, except jai mutakallim, because I told you that ja always demand kasra before it. Jai mutakallim always demand kasra before it. So at this point, there is the lana for the musanna and dual, and now I will cover the jai mutakallim, that there is lam with kasra. Now this lam is so comfortable because it's very kind. He say, okay, if any pronoun wants me with fatha, I will come with fatha. If jai mutakallim wants me with kasra, okay, I will with kasra. So this is very flexible. This harfujar lam is very flexible. It makes happy to everyone. So this is li, not lai, because we can't read with it. It's very hard to read. Okay, so with fatha. So with kasra is very easy. That's why always ja demands kasra before it. It's li for me. Okay. Then except this ja mutakallim, with all pronouns, lam jar will come with fatha. Okay. Okay. I highlight this ja mutakallim as well. Because that the here in lam it will be written in the original position with kasra. Now, there is a chart again, the Mad Mutasil. I want to explain you that who sometimes read as a he, huma sometimes read as a hima, whom sometimes read as a him, and hunna read as a hinna. Only these four. Why I say four? Because huma is I consider as a one. 2, 3, and 4. So these 4 pronouns, sometimes we read, you will see in the Mus'haf that they start with a kasra instead of the dhamma. So what's the reason behind it? I will explain you the reasons now. That who, huma, hum, hunna, these 4 prepositions will be read with kasra in 2 situations. First one, if it preceded by ja, if it preceded by a ja. Like I will give you example, like ala, there is a ja. Okay, can you see the ja? Ain, lam, and ja. Okay, so if there is a ja with sakin, okay, with no any haraka on it, and if you then there is a pronoun, any pronoun, I use the whom pronoun, okay, because it's used many times in Quran Majid. Whom, and there is ja preceded with it. So because of this ja, whom will convert into him. Look, alayhim, it's used many times in Quran Majid. Alayhim, this ha has kasra because there is ja before it. Okay, and the second reason now, if there is preceded by kasra, if these 4 prepositions are preceded by kasra, if there is kasra before it, if there is kasra behind it. Okay, so I will explain you the reason. The harfu jar ba has a kasra. Okay, harfu jar ba has a kasra, and if there comes the pronoun whom, so what we will do now is not be whom, we will say be him. Be whom is very looks different in our tongue. It's not easy to pronounce. Maybe our tongue is not used to it, for maybe that's why be whom is very odd. So we will say be him. Okay, so this ha has kasra because there is a kasra before it. So what's the reason? 2 reasons. If these pronouns will have kasra if there is ja before it, or if there is kasra before the letter before it. Okay, whatever the letter will be, whatever the letter, but if it has the kasra before it, then these 4 pronouns will read with kasra. Okay, so now I make ready the chart for you for the ba harfu jar, for the ba harfu jar. Okay, so now bihi, bihima. So I hope you understand now why there is kasra on the ha. Okay, bihim, bihinna, bihima. So what is the reason? Just repeat with me now. That who will convert into he. Why? Because there is kasra before it. Okay, who convert into he because there is kasra before it. Okay, now we will make all this chart complete with harfu jar ala. Alayhi, not alayhu, not alayhuma, is alayhima, alayhim. Why? Just do with me now. Because of this harfu jar ala plus who, I just use one damir. All of these are same pattern. Okay, so this who convert into he because there is kasra on who, on ha damir, because there is a ja before it, because there is ja before it. Okay, so we will say alayhi. And one more thing I want to give you in notice, alayja, alayja. So why there is shadda here? Because ala plus ja mutakallim, ala plus ja mutakallim. So there are 2 ja now, 2 ja. So what we have to do, we have to merge them. We have to merge them and put the shadda on it. So we will say alayja. So put the shadda on it. It means 2 ja. 1 ja for the ala and 1 ja is for the mutakallim. Okay, so alayja means on me. 1 ja mutakallim is included in this shadda. Okay. I make the ready full chart for the harfu jar fi as well. Same thing. Why there is kasra? Because there is ja before it. So I will now circle it. I know that I didn't put the arrow sign. I didn't circle it in this animation, in this slide, because I hope you know why this who convert into he. Okay, and why there is shadda here? Fija. Why? because because there are two ja here now. One ja is for the fi, one ja is for the jai mutakallim. Two ja become shadda over there. Okay, so this chart is blank because this is your homework. You have to do homework with the harfu jar an, and you have to this an also has the sakin here like a min. So when you do the jai mutakallim, so you have to bring one noon vikaya, noon vikaya, okay, to solve their problem. Same like the minni, okay. So you have to complete this chart. And another chart you have to complete it with ila, and you must notice there is a ja, okay, there is a ja. So you have to check there is alayhi, not alayhu, okay. So you have to complete this ja with the mutakallim. You will get two ja, so you have to do this, okay, in your homework. Okay, now you do some practice with me. The red letters are, they are harfu jar, they are prepositions, and the green words are, they all are noun, they all are pronouns, okay, they all are pronouns. They are attached pronouns, dhamir mutasil, and they are in majroor state. On the beginning, when we first time we learned the pronouns, on that time I told you that dhamir mutasil can be used as a mansub and they can be used as a majroor. And on that time I said you very soon inshallah you will be able to differentiate when they will be mansub and when they will be majroor. And I hope now you will be able, if I ask you how the mir here, is it mansub or majroor, I hope you will see, give me the answer, it is majroor, because there is a harf jar before it. Kum here is majroor or mansub, so I hope you will say it's majroor because there is a harf jar before it, okay, it's not mansub now. All right. Alaykum. We say in our greetings, Assalamu alaykum. Okay. They all are murakkab jari, means shibu jumla. This is my homework. Not homework, my practice. It's not homework basically. When during my course, when I come back home and when I get free in the evening time, I do my preparation. So this is my whole workout. In I did. You can say that the whole lecture is in my this slide. In my on when I in my student time, I did practice that. On top there are the all harfu jar, and the seven harfujar which comes with the pronouns, and here the all pronouns are here. So I make the chart for all of these, okay. So this is my teacher loved this. When I show her my this practice, she loved it, and she showed to everyone, all students. She showed to them that look at the Shamsa's practice, that how nicely she covered the all topic in one page. So she loves my homework. Alhamdulillah, she loved on that time. Okay. And what's your homework now? Okay. What you have to do? Okay, not homework. First of all, we will do practice first. Okay. Let's do practice with me. In this slide, what we have to do, we will circle the words in green color with prepositions with noun. We will identify the murkab jari in which the harfu jar comes with the noun. And yellow color, we will circle the all harfu jar comes with the pronouns. Okay, so you can pause the video, find all murkab jari. Either they're coming with a noun or with the pronoun, but you have to differentiate with them. So pause the video, I will cover up now. The all green now, these are the prepositions come with the nouns. They are all murakkab jari. They all are shibu jumla. Okay, they all are murakkab jari. Now I will use the yellow one. They all pronouns. They all prepositions come with the pronouns. Okay, the all preposition come with pronouns. Okay, now let's one more slide. Same thing, pause the video and find all Murkab Jari. So these green one are prepositions with noun, and the yellow one are prepositions with pronouns. Look in one ayah how many مركب jari comes. So that's why I said these prepositions used many times in Quran Majid. Okay, so almost in all ayah you can see any of the harf jar or مركب jari. Okay, in this page, do more practice. Pause the video and find all the مركب jari. The green one all are prepositions with noun. They all are مركب jari shibu jumla. And the yellow one are the prepositions with the pronouns. They are also مركب jari shibu jumla. There are only two with the preposition with pronouns. But they all are مركب jari. They all are shibu jumla. Okay. One more example. One more practice. So all green are مركب jari. They're prepositions with nouns. And yellow one now are prepositions with pronouns. Why I'm doing this same type of practice again and again, because I will give you the homework and you have to do same thing with your homework. Here is your homework. From Sutul Ghashiyah, you have to circle green color. You have to do green color with prepositions with nouns. And yellow color, you have to do prepositions with pronouns. So you have to find all of these in this full surah, in this surah. Okay, this is your homework. I hope you enjoy this lecture, and when you will do, whenever you will do recitation, you will notice all these makab jari, inshallah ta'ala. Let's make dua now. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.